Hello and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you've received this video, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from a transmission fluid flush. Maintaining a vehicle involves more than just regular oil changes and tire rotations. One crucial yet often overlooked aspect is the transmission fluid flush. The transmission is a vital component of your vehicle, responsible for transferring power from the engine to the wheels. Keeping your transmission in top condition ensures smooth and efficient vehicle operation. Here's why transmission fluid flushes are essential for your vehicle's longevity and performance. Before we get too far along, let's take a look at what exactly is a transmission fluid flush. A transmission fluid flush involves removing the old, degraded transmission fluid from the system and replacing it with fresh, high-quality fluid. Unlike a simple fluid change, which may leave some old fluid and debris, a flush ensures that the entire system is cleaned and replenished, providing comprehensive protection and performance benefits. Why is a transmission fluid flush so important? Enhanced performance. Fresh transmission fluid improves the overall performance of the vehicle by ensuring smoother and more responsive gear shifts. Extending transmission life. Regular fluid flushes remove harmful debris and contaminants, reducing wear and tear and extending the lifespan of your transmission. Improve fuel efficiency. A well-maintained transmission operates more efficiently, which can lead to better fuel economy. And preventative maintenance. Flushing the transmission fluid helps prevent potential issues before they become serious problems, saving you from costly repairs down the road. When should you get a transmission fluid flush? There are some symptoms that may warrant a transmission fluid flush earlier than others. For example, grinding or strange noises, especially during gear shifts, may indicate that the transmission fluid needs to be flushed. Same with slipping gears, delayed shifting, or a burnt smell or discolored fluid. However, as far as preventative maintenance guidelines go, 40 to 80,000 kilometers are fairly typical. However, it may vary based on manufacturer and condition of the vehicle. Regular transmission fluid flushes are a critical aspect of vehicle maintenance that can significantly impact your vehicle's performance and longevity. By keeping your transmission fluid clean and fresh, you ensure that this vital component operates efficiently and reliably. If you would like us to move ahead with your transmission fluid flush, please let us know straight away. And if you have any additional questions, do give us a call and we'll do our best to get them answered promptly. Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to hearing from you soon.